Well, here we are, back on the water. Next day, Matt, Patrick, and myself. First time we've gone 3 up in Living the Dream. We're Living the Dream 2. I've literally sat down, and before we sat down, Matt caught a fish.
That's pretty typical.
Yeah, he likes to.
I've been watching some of your content lately.
Oh, right.
And I know your followers have been screaming out for decent content. So
that's why we brought Patrick along today, because he's going to show us how it's all done. So,
I actually self-invited myself, so...
well, you know, kind of did, but, you know, didn't exactly twist my arm to, you know, get out and fish on the water or anything. So yeah, we're, what time is it? What about getting close to 5 o'clock, I suppose? So,
25 past 5?
25 past 5. A bit longer. Fast. It did go fast. So we'll try and catch a fish or 2 or 16 or 27 and fish until it gets dark, or maybe even a bit after.
I didn't think I had anything on.
But you did.
We made no effort.
But there we go. We have reasonable flathead to start the day. Mr. Patrick.
Alright.
Okay, we'll sort him out. You're not going anywhere. If you give you a bit of drag, it might be a... What have you got there? You've got a cod. Right in the lips.
Oh, he's heavy.
That's not doing... We've been bad at the photography the past couple of days, but there we go. Mr. Cod. Patrick is on fire. And so am I. That's a decent sized flatty for the Tamer. Touchy.
Oh, I did. Well, actually, that's...
Well, maybe not, but Patrick's is good. Yeah, once upon a time, Callum and I were saying yesterday, in the olden days, like 3 years ago, you'd have been a keeper. Probably not quite big enough for measuring backwards. From 90, he's 32 centimetres. Yeah, keeper back to, they changed the regs to 35, which was only this year. Oh well, last year.
Fish.
Giving you a bit of curry. Oh, a decent flatty again. It's a couple of good ones. Patrick's up to 3 species, and he's showing Matt and I what to do today. So bring him in the boat if we can.
As far as I can go.
Okay, give us a second. This is perfect for a documentary. Matt is chasing
The kingfish.
kingfish.
We've caught a nice little legal size salmon.
Yes.
Need to make sure the viewers are aware.
The legal size one that we're...
So we've put it on a 6/0 circle hook.
Are there any size specifics for salmon? 230, 320?
No, it's 20.
It's
So
20.
200 mil.
Yeah, right.
200 mil.
Yep.
Then we're going to send it out, live bait, out the back in the burley trail, and just hope a kingfish turns up.
Yeah, sweet.
And wax it.
And that will be your explanation as to what it's doing with a balloon.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
I probably agree, really. But anyway, he's a man of many techniques. Here's Matt, and Patrick's a man of many fish.
I don't think I got it. Nah,
No, not this time.
nibbled off on the bait side.
Matt's gotten a bite. It's all happening at the Tamer River on, what is it, the 7th of January 2024. This side?
Yeah, it's definitely not a flathead.
Not a flathead?
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh no.
Oh, no, got him.
Oh, whiting! Oh, yes please. A few more of them. This is the spot for it. What a river.
Beautiful.
What a river.
And self-release, just how we like it.
Mate. That one can make the esky though. Or...
I'll grab it for you. So not many people know that whiting do come up the river a fair way. Oh, what a catch.
I was about to say, and he's about to go a bit further up the river.
And for those viewers, they're very slippery, so luckily back in my day I was a first slipsman. So
Right. You could have played first slips for Australia, the way that slipped out of your hand.
There you go. Nice and tight. Good little fish.
Good little fish.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful King George whiting. That's probably not the most flattering angle, I shouldn't imagine, Patrick.
That's better.
That's all right, is it?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, we're having a chill out at the moment because there hasn't been really any fish around for probably the last half to 3/4 of an hour. It's been really quiet, which is quite surprising.
It's very comfy though, Richo.
It is. It's a comfortable boat with the 3 of us in it. Pretty impressed. So, I know I'm leaning back at an angle where I probably look like I've got the world's worst double chin. And, you know, but, hey, River Tamer, where else would you want to be? Probably a cod.
Hopefully it's a salmon.
Got a bit of weight to it. Oh, there it is.
Sounds like you're giving warnings.
It's got some heave. Cod in the current. It's a cod in the current, isn't it? Isn't that disappointing?
Not that my line.
And my other line,
Is that your line?
my big line. Haven't caught anything again for a while, apart from that cod.
Wait!
I'm sure it's the burley.
Yep, no, I'm on.
Ed. It's got to be the burley. Burley's doing the trick. Got the cat food back out again because there's no burley logs. It's on PCF or anaconda.
Yeah, mister.
Me too. Oh, there you go. That's what you're after, Patrick. There's the salmon that Matt wanted. Nice work. Beautiful. No, bring in the flathead at the same time.
I'll move away.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you see? Jumping bloody.
Jumping off bloody.
He was actually not that size.
It was alright. Patrick, looks a bit more interesting.
Oh, he's actually, physically I can feel the rod
Yeah.
straining. What is she?
What did you say? It was about time the cod came on, Matt?
Fuck, she's heavy. And
You've
I'm on
also
the
got
line.
my line. Patrick's got my line again.
Oh, he's got a salmon.
Alright, just before you bring him in, let's see if we can get this untangled. No, we won't bring it in. He's another good one.
Pretty good for some fresh bait.
Patrick's a salmon.
Mackerel.
Yeah, this is a mackerel.
Yeah.
Gone blurry, is it?
Off he goes.
Perfect release.
Oh,
Exactly how I want to get.
man.
Little salmon.
Salmon this time, sorry. There you go, GoPro. While I re-rig your rod.
Fish shot.
Oh,
That bite's probably even hit the bottom.
We should
Yeah,
censor,
look at the salmon. Look at the fish around the salmon there.
we should censor out the feet.
Shake that burley bucket.
we've got sounds. Alright, drop yours down, Betty.
Do you want to keep
Got off.
Got off. There's
You're
fish
on.
down there. Oh, I've got flathead.
2!
He's got a mackerel and a flathead. Brilliant, man. Oh, there goes the mackerel. They do like to unhook themselves.
Very soft now.
Yeah. And unflathead.
There you go.
Give us a look,
All you need
Veggie.
is a swivel and then just
Oh, yeah.
wrap that through. There's no current now, he was fine with that.
Flathead. The flatties are back at 9 o'clock. Smashing the mackerel.
All of them in the trail.
Is there? I can't see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, that's in the Lulls. There's like a hive of mackerel just down there, just below the surface.
Oh.
Matt pulls that up a bit.
Yeah, see?
See it following?
Yeah.
How cool. My turn.
Hey.
Of course I have. And there goes the fish. And I've got the most ridiculous tangle up. Oh my. Is that salmon this time? Salmon this time. Yeah. Beautiful job.
Oh, no.
Oh, yep. Oh, this one's Obstropolus. Look at him go. Look at him go. Get out of that.
I've got one.
That is a very, very, very keen mackerel.
Have a look.
Oh, there we go. There you go. Patrick's got one the same. Oh, good work, man. Was that fun?
Yeah. They was both doing the same thing. Oh my god.
Yeah, there he goes.
Jesus.
As Matt said, they've got very soft mouths, so
Jesus Christ. Nearly got hit in the eye of the hook.
hitting the high of a hook.
Hit in the eye, I said.
High of the hook, I'm pretty sure it's high of the hook.
That's on camera. We'll find out later. Whether it said eye or higher.
They did say high. It's bloody 9 night and I'm outdoors.
I know. It's not normal for you, Patrick, at all.
I'm normally inside by 3.
Oh, snapper.
Oh, really?
Hey!
Little pinky.
Oh, hey, this is the best. Oh, check that out. Woohoo! Look at him. Oh, that's brilliant. How cool. He's a little one. He's little, this one.
And you know what? It wasn't caught on a Reedy's rig or a
No.
Hayabusa. It was caught on a Richo flasher. A Richo flasher.
On a Richo flasher.
All right.
There we go. We've got another little snapper in the boat. He's tiny. How cool.
He'll go back to swim another day.
That's fantastic. 9:22 p.m. Matt's rigging up again. What are we going for this time?
Cod, I reckon.
Well, you catch a snapper, catch a cod. Does it even things out? Things are gone rather still. Fishing after dark on the Tamer for the first time. See if something big can come along. Just after dark fish.
I reckon cod.
Cod, you reckon?
Yep.
Oh no. It is.
Foul hook too.
Oh, cod through the gob. Well, not through the gob.
Through the underbelly.
Oh, nasty. First after dark fish caught from Livin The Dream 2.
That was an experience.
And that was a cod. So we can do better. Some of these big baits.